At Compacttilt we design and produce cylinder-free tilt and tiltrotators. Our key forces are: market's most compact design, cylinder-free tilt and tiltrotators, unique low weight, and efficiency that is adding better working conditions for the operators. As a manufacturer, we want the end user to have the best experience as possible. Therefore, we have created QR stickers for the excavator windows. When scanning our QR code, you will be redirected into our quick guide. In here you can enter their Compacttilt model. Inside the Compacttilt model you will find needy guidance, such as connection of equipment, lubrication overview, ready for use, maintenance, and a PDF available of the complete user guide. Using the quick guide is an easy access to a better experience with Compacttilt as well as a reminder of maintenance of the Compacttilt product.